What's up, everybody? Bubba D's here. Why dirty your pots when you can use the Instapot? Today we're going to be making something super quick and easy. We're making macaroni and cheese inside the Instapot. So we're going to start off with 3 cups of shredded cheese, 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 can of evaporated milk, and of course your pasta, your macaroni. And we'll add in 4 cups of water. So we're gonna get started by adding in our pasta, which is our macaronis. We're gonna go with about half the pack, which roughly is about 1 pound of macaroni. We're gonna go and add in our water, which is 4 cups of water. And while we're adding in our liquid, we're also gonna be adding in a little bit of salt, which is our 1 tablespoon of salt. We're gonna mix it, make sure that nothing's sticking to the bottom of the pan to prevent any kind of burn status on your Instapot and also to help with the cooking process. We're gonna set our Instapot to high pressure for 4 minutes and we'll be performing a quick release once we hit that 4-minute timer. There we go. Those are our cooked pasta. You can see that they are evenly cooked, and I'll go ahead and give that a mix for you as well. So now that we got it all mixed up, we're gonna start adding in our additional ingredients, which is first gonna start off with our unsalted butter. We're gonna mix that through. That'll help with the sticking of the pasta, will help separate it. And then we're gonna go ahead and add in our full can of evaporated milk, which is roughly about 1.5 cups. And then we're gonna start adding in our shredded cheddar. So we'll get that all the way through, make sure that it's nicely coated. We'll keep on adding more cheddar as needed, but roughly you're gonna be needing about 4 cups. Now there's something really enjoying when you're making macaroni and cheese from scratch rather than using the Kraft Dinner version. You get to see all the cheese getting melted. You get to add your favorite cheese in there. You get to add the gooiness, and it's a super quick recipe. It takes literally about 20 minutes or less, and I'm sure that each and every single one of you are going to enjoy it. Now, if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment on the bottom. I love responding to comments or feedback or questions, whatever it may be. And before you know it, we got a perfect meal. So I'm gonna start getting this ready and spooning it out into a lovely bowl, which you can see that it's nicely coated, has that nice gooiness to it. It's a beautiful color. And the evaporated milk is the key here. It really does something special. So please use the evaporated milk. Don't use regular milk. But I'm gonna start putting this into bowls. I'm gonna start having my servings right now. And that's it. Macaroni cheese in the Instapot, made super quick, super easy. If you haven't done so, click the subscribe button, hit the little bell. Make sure that everybody knows that when I'm posting a video, you get notified. And I guess it's that time of the year where we're almost coming to an end. So thank you guys very much for watching this channel for 2019. I can't wait to ring in 2020, and we got big things coming up. Big things. Website, giveaways, merch. There's so much different things that are happening, so make sure you stay tuned, and I'll continue doing what I do. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year's.